Okay. But one more remedy which has vertigo or headache on ascending stairs. Headache on ascending stairs. Nitramur is one of the remedy, yes, but very local remedy, very specific remedy, which also has coldness. It is a rare remedy. Remedy is Melianthus. Okay, headache by ascending stairs. Typically what you will find is वो headache के साथ there is coldness of some single part, coldness of arms, coldness of legs, ऐसी कोल्ड एकदम ठंडा ठंडा पड़ जाता है डॉक्टर. हेडेक के साथ है ना मेरा हाथ एकदम ठंडा पड़ जाता है, मेरा पैर एकदम ठंडा पड़ जाता है. That is which remedy? Melianthus, which is aggravated by ascending stairs. Okay. Next, the anacardial patient is found mostly among the neurasthenics. Neurasthenics मतलब people who are nervous and have got tired. Because of their nervousness, they have got tired. So it is a very good remedy for students who have ब्रेन फैट है ना. डॉक्टर बहुत पढ़ा, बहुत टेंशन है एग्जाम का, ये 12वीं में पास नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, मेरा करियर खराब हो जाएगा, बहुत टेंशन. सो वन इज द नर्वसनेस एंड एंजाइटी एंड टेंशन. व्हाट इफ आई डोंट डू वेल इन दिस एग्जाम्स, माय करियर इज एट स्टेक, सो आई हैव टू वर्क रियली हार्ड. बहुत काम किया, फिर वो थक गया आउट ऑफ द नर्वसनेस एंड exertion and sedentary lifestyle. ठीक है, जाओ आगे. Headache relieved entirely when eating. अभी फास्ट जाएंगे symptoms. You understand this? सब साथ में बोलो. Stomach sensation of fasting all gone, comes on only when stomach is empty and is better by eating.
Yes.
Ameliorated during the process of digestion. मतलब क्या? Ameliorated during the process of digestion मतलब हाँ, for 2 hours patient is okay. The moment digestion is done, patient starts having complaints. Aggravation after 2 hours of eating. Hypochondriac with hemorrhoids. बोलिए, why hypochondriac with hemorrhoids? बताया मैंने. मैंने आपको बताया ना कि सुबह सुबह पेशेंट सीखता है, ये कंप्लेंट वो कंप्लेंट. तो टिपिकली ऐसा पेशेंट जब कंप्लेंट करता है ना, काही नाही झालं, तुला शाळेला जायचं नाही, चल, ऐसे ही बोलते क्या नहीं? अरे आई मला ऐकू येत नाही, मला कोई नाही तुला शाळेला नाही जायचं, चल. बरोबर का नहीं? हाँ, नाटक. ऐसा बहुत लगता है, अरे ये बहुत नाटक कर रहा है. टॉयलेट मध्ये जाऊन आहे ना डॉक्टर एक दीड तास बसतो, येतच नाही बाहेर, म्हणतो होत नाहीये, मला माहिती ह्याला शाळेला जायचं नाहीये. सो एक्चुअली पेशेंट को कॉन्स्टिपेशन रहता है, ही इज नॉट एबल टू पास द स्टूल बिकॉज द रेक्टम आल्सो हैज slowed down. Stools get stuck there, plugged sensation, constricting sensation in the rectum. डॉक्टर स्टूल निकलता ही नहीं, ऐसा लगता उधर ही अटक गया. और मेन एक्सप्रेशन, ये जो सारे पेशेंट्स में मेन एक्सप्रेशन रखने का, पेशेंट विल टेल यू डॉक्टर संडास पुढे हलत नहीं, सरकतच नहीं. मूवमेंट, ये वर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. वो जैसे जॉइंट का मूवमेंट है वैसे ही वो स्टूल का भी मूवमेंट के जैसा बात करता है, समझ रहे हो आप? असं वाटतं संडास ते अडकले आहे, हालतच नाहीये, पुढेच हालत नाहीये. असं नाही म्हणणार असं खडा होतो डॉक्टर, खूप असं खूप कडक संडास आहे असं नाही म्हणणार तो. कॉन्स्टिपेशन बद्दल बोला तुमच्या, तो म्हणणार असं वाटतं की सरकत नाहीये पुढे. वो एक्सप्रेशन सुनना चाहिए हमें, नहीं तो सारे कॉन्स्टिपेशन आर सेम है ना. कॉन्स्टिपेशन इज कॉन्स्टिपेशन, but we have to listen at the expression how this patient is talking about his constipation and what is the totality. बाकी क्या हो रहा है पेशेंट को, बाकी भी डल लग रहा है, बाकी भी कुछ हिल नहीं रहा, लॉस ऑफ कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, ऑल दोस सिम्टम्स. ठीक है. So examples of plugged or constricting sensation. Constrictive headache in the forehead, pain as of a plug were pressed, pain around the navel as if a blunt plug were squeezed into. So intestine हो गया, orbits और eyes हो गया, forehead हो गया, cramp like pain in right hand, extremities हो गया, dull pressure as from a plug in left gluteal muscles, painful uneasiness around the knee joint, sensation of stiffness as if a bandage. ठीक है. So you see everywhere the stiffness or tightness. Plugged का meaning क्या है? हाँ, something has got blocked. कोई hole है, कोई ये है, इसमें you have lost something and that has got blocked. Skin का क्या peculiarity है? What did we learn? One is contact dermatitis, weeping eczema or oozing. Very good. And crust formation, corrosive. Intense itching eczema with mental irritability, vesicular eruptions, swelling, urticaria. Why urticaria? Because it is allergic. Eruption like a poison. अच्छा, ये रेमेडीज you know, Xerophyllum, Grindelia, Protontic. Why they have written here? Protontic का main sensation क्या है? Main symptom क्या है? Hide bound, no? Protontic also feels tight, like Rustox or like anacardium. They also feel tight. है ना? Skin एकदम हाँ. One is gunshot diarrhea. The other symptom is skin. Protontic is very important remedy for skin. When you see tightness of skin, skin इतना tight हो गया ना, ऐसा हिलने को नहीं आता. And the main what you see, the feeling of tightness of protontic is, you know, like straight jacket. मतलब है ना, मुझको आपने एक क्या बोलते हैं, you have put me in a bubble, you know, वो bubble which is not bubble, like you have put me in a jacket, no, इतना metal jacket है समझो, वो metal jacket के अंदर ही मैं हिल सकता हूँ इतना, समझ रहे हो आप? I can't move more than that. That is what is protontic tightness, कि इतनी सी space वो covering है मेरे लिए, and I can move inside that covering. I cannot come outside of that covering. So in protontic or that family of Euphorbiaceae, the main thing is this covering is one very good protection for me. You know, it saves me from the harshness of the outside world, but it also restricts me. It also constricts me. So I am not able to move. I want to move. I want to get out of the jacket, but if I get out of the jacket, the outside world is very harsh. So that is protontic. Someday when we do families, I will tell you. Protontic. Grindelia is, you know which family? It is from Compositae family. dryness of skin with asthma. In Grendelia, what predominates is asthma aggravated in the night during sleep. Asthma or difficult breathing during sleep. Xerophyllum is very important remedy for contact dermatitis, especially of skin, of palms and soles. Of palms and soles. Extreme dryness due to cold weather with deep cracks, bleeding. Petroleum more fingertips. This is full palm. Very bad kind of eczema, xerophyllum. Okay, modalities. Words from mental exertion. Yes or no?
Yes.
Emotions, anger, fright, care. All this we'll do later. Stepping hard, motion. Words from motion or stepping hard or from drafts of cold air. Better by heating or hot bath. You understand why the modalities are there? Yes or no?
Yes.
Physical constitution. I think I have seen 2 or 3 cases of endocardium. All of them have been young boys. Matlab young means early 20s. Sometimes you can recognize an endocardium patient by the suffering expression on the face. जो मैंने बोला ना सुबह सुबह उठ के अरे क्या हो रहा है मेरे को समझ भी नहीं आ रहा, ये दिखता परेशान है. वो मदर विल टेल यू ऐसा वो स्कूल नहीं जाने का है, ये नहीं करने का, वो नहीं करने का बोलता, बट दिखता है मेरे को कि हाँ यार इसका चेहरे को देख के लगता है कि इसका कुछ ध्यान नहीं है, इसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा.